welcome to my channel. Today I have Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler, the monthly subscription quilting box. So I'm ready to see what's in it. How about you? So let's dig in. Okay, we have Sweater Weather, January 2021. And we have 10% off jelly rolls. That's our coupon. That's our coupon for this month. And this here tells prices and what the items are. So that's what I read from, so you all know what it is, and so I know what it is. And I do the fabric last, because I like to see all the goodies. Let's see, get my light, a little less glare there. Okay, the first item is cool pins. Heat resistant cool pins. They're 1 7/8 inch. They are by the Gypsy Quilter. And it's 50 count. See if I can keep it in frame. I tend to get out of frame when I'm reading. Okay, 50 count Aura Orange Cool Pins by the Gypsy Quilter. It is numbered TGQ098. These pins feel so fine by the fireside. Be carefree pinning and pressing. These cool pins allow you to press without burning or melting any pins. Sharp and fine, they will leave your project in pristine shape. The colorful, easy grip pin heads make them easy to handle with no pins left behind. Retail value $9.48. They are heat resistant up to 350 degrees. And they come in this little box. If I can get it open, it's really tight, so that's good. It's not going to fall open on you. So here they are. They're nice and long. So those are super cool. I like that it's tight. You ever get these little containers and the lids don't stay on. They fall out and they spill all over, and you don't have to worry about it with these. See? Not coming off. And that's the heat resistant cool pins by the Gypsy Quilter. Okay, next is Sew Tights magnetic sewing pins. Take it out of the package here. So you get 3 sizes. It's Sew Sampler got it first, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. It's called Sew Tights Magnetic Sewing Pins. Through thick and thin, these Sew Tights aren't going anywhere. Ring in the new year with the tightest new buddies, Sew Tight Magnetic Sewing Pins. Designed especially for holding together thick layers, these pins can take any material you try, from cotton and canvas to cork and vinyl. Retail value $11.48. And they come on this board here. It shows you different uses. That's all the uses there, and let's pull one off of here. It is very snug. So it's 2 pieces. And this is it. You can see they're super strong. It's really hard to get apart. Let's see. So you have to kind of, it's best to slide it apart. I have these in some of my crafts. I have stuff like this. So it's really best to get it apart. Let's see if I have something thick here. I don't have anything very thick around me. There's a piece of batting. And this is heavy. This is 100% cotton batting. So we'll set this on the back side like that. And then I want to see how strong it is through the fabric. So there it is. Nice and snug. I'll double it over. So here it is doubled over. It still stays. So pretty cool. So that's the Sew Tights magnetic sewing pins. Okay, what's next? Next we have a Magic Touch Cutting Mat Cleaner. Clean with confidence. Magic Touch Cutting Mat Eraser. Let's see what it says on here. I'm going to try to get the glare off for you. Let's see. Magic Touch Cutting Mat Eraser. Colonial Needle Company. So Sampler got it first. Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Your cutting mat does so much for you all year long. Show it a little love with a few swipes from the Magic Touch Cutting Mat Eraser to give it a fresh start and a clean slate. Just like magic, all the trimmings and trappings from your fabric will disappear. Retail value $4.48. So let's see, do we get it wet first? This tool can be used damp or dry. With a simple swipe and some pressure, you can give your mat a new life. So it's basically to help clean up all the little bits and pieces like you can see on here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like little pieces of fabric from it being in and around fabric. So there's like all these little lint pieces all over the place. So if it was on your mat, you could just swipe it up. So that's that. Okay, we got a couple patterns. We have the Greatest Hits Album Quilt Track 10. And there's what the quilt square looks like. Oops. This is Greatest Hits Album Quilt. Hit all the right notes with the Greatest Hits Album Quilt. Dedicate this quilt to the most impactful individuals. All the greatest hits in your life with this album quilt. With each unique sampler block, record a memory of someone special to keep it on replay. Track number 10. Greatest Hits Album Quilt Kit and Aurifil Thread Pack is now available. Retail value $4.98. And it has all the pictures on the back and all your what is needed here on the front. Next one is the Fast and Flurrious quilt pattern. 2 size options included. It gives you all what you need, and it will be using this fabric that came with it in the box. Here's what it looks like. So it says Fast and Flurrious quilt pattern, Fat Quarter Shop exclusively for Sew Sampler box. Whip a few strips into the table runner in no time. Easy piecing and simple seam means you'll have a celebrator centerpiece on your table for your next occasion, no matter if your friends are near or far. Ready to get sewing? Pick up the Sew Sampler January 2021 finishing kit to make a quilt just like ours. There is a typo on the pattern cover stating it was featured in the December 2020 box. So it is a typo. It's supposed to be January 2021. See, just read and I don't want to tell you. So the retail value is $9.98 for the pattern. And here's how it looks like in here. Okay, now the fabric. Let me just get this stuff out of the way. Okay, so let's find it on here. Cinder Honey Bun. Stitched with love. Let's open it up and take a look. If I could get it open. Let's do this. So much quicker. Okay. I don't know which end to start at. Guess we'll start right here. Let's see. It says, there is so much spice and everything nice in Cider by Basic Gray for Moda Fabrics. The Cider Honey Bun pairs winter blues with tones of honey, cinnamon, nutmeg, and brown sugar for a sweet combo of warm and cool. Bold geometrics are softened with fanciful florals and will simmer nicely into your sweater weather sewing. I don't know, what's this called? Honey Buns 1.5 inch strips. It retails for $27.98. There we go. I don't want to reach so far. Make sure I didn't start over yet. I don't think so. There's a lot of them in here. Okay, a few more. Okay, and that's the last one. So that is everything. Pretty cool. I really need to get started on making something. I know somebody asked me, and I'm sorry I haven't got back to you yet. I've been trying to find where I did with the project to see if I had time to start on it. So I found my tote that I had it in. Well, I found the tote. I have to find the item that they asked me to make and see if I could do it. If I have time right now. But I don't know how much longer I'm gonna get the boxes for now because they're piling up on me. And I haven't had time to sew like I wanted to after my dad passed away because I'm helping with my mom, so now I can't get it rolled back up. Okay, so there's everything. We got the fabric. We got our cleanup sponge, our sew tights, our pins, and 2 patterns. Whatever I did with the other one. Oh, there it is. So that is everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I will link everything that I possibly can for you to find it quicker and easier. And they are my referral links. If you don't want to use them, just go straight to Fat Quarter Shop's website and search. If you do use my links, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. It doesn't affect your price at all. You're going to pay the same no matter what. I just get a little bit of what you order. And it always helps to help with all my boxes that I buy. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments, and I appreciate that you stopped by, and thanks so much. See you again soon. Bye.